Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the legendary BMW R80, a classic motorcycle known for its reliability, timeless design, and smooth boxer engine. Let's explore what makes this iconic bike so special. Engine and performance. The BMW R80 is powered by an 800 cubic centimeters air-cooled, two-cylinder boxer engine that delivers smooth and dependable performance. Its comfortable power delivery makes it perfect for both city rides and long-distance touring. Design and comfort. With its classic round headlight, vintage styling, and upright riding position, the R80 offers both elegance and comfort. Its durable build and balanced handling have made it a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts for decades. Why the BMW R80 stands out. The BMW R80 is admired for its simple engineering, low maintenance, and impressive durability. Whether you're a collector or a rider who appreciates classic motorcycles, the R80 remains a timeless choice. Conclusion. Thanks for watching King Bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and classic bike content.